In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a font to Figma in just 5 minutes. Whether you're customizing a personal design or working on a project for a client, learning how to add a font can really personalize and elevate your work. Let's go through these steps together and make the process as easy as possible. First, start by choosing the font you'd like to use. If you haven't decided yet, Google Fonts is a fantastic resource to consider. They offer a wide variety of options, from sleek and modern to creative and quirky, ensuring you'll find something that perfectly fits your design's aesthetic. Once you've made your choice, download the font to your computer. Usually, fonts will be downloaded as a zip file, so you'll need to unzip it to access the font files. Once you have the font files extracted, the next step is to install them on your computer. This is generally a straightforward process. On a Windows PC, you can right-click the font file and select Install. On a Mac, double-click the font file, which will open Font Book, and then simply click Install Font at the bottom. Make sure your new font is successfully installed, as this is key to having it available in Figma. With your font installed, it's time to open a web browser. Type Figma into the search bar or navigate directly to their website if you have it bookmarked. Once you've reached Figma's main page, log into your account. If you don't have one, you can easily create an account and access Figma's features free of charge. After logging in, open the canvas that you're going to work on. This could be an existing project or a new one you've just started. Next, find the text you want to modify. This is where you'll apply your newly added font. Click on this text to select and highlight it. Once highlighted, direct your attention to the right sidebar of your Figma workspace. There, under the text section, you should notice the current font name displayed. Click on this font name. Doing so will open a drop-down menu. When the drop-down appears, look for an option that mentions fonts installed by you. This allows you to access the fonts that you've added to your system, including the new one you've just installed. From here, scroll through the list or use the search bar to easily find your installed font. Click on the desired font name, and just like that, your chosen text will update with the new font. And there you have it. You've successfully added a font to Figma. This simple yet effective skill is a great tool to have in your design arsenal. Thanks for joining me today. Enjoy experimenting with different fonts, and happy designing!